Have you ever thought about how you can make tasty meals while also being mindful of our environment? Today, we'll explore 25 easy ways to reduce your carbon footprint in your kitchen. So put on your apron and let's dive right in. Shop local. Support your local farmers and reduce transportation emissions by buying fresh local produce. Seasonal eating. Embrace the flavors of the season. Seasonal foods require less energy-intensive storage and transportation. Grow your own. Even a small herb garden on your windowsill can make a difference. Bulk buying. Reduce packaging waste by buying in bulk. Remember to bring your reusable containers. Plant-based days. Dedicate a few days a week to plant-based meals. They're not only delicious but also have a lower carbon footprint. Compost. Turn your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Limit processed foods. They often have a higher carbon footprint due to processing, packaging, and transportation. Energy-efficient appliances. Invest in appliances that consume less energy. They're good for the planet and your bills. Cold water wash. When cleaning your veggies, use cold water. It saves energy and keeps your produce crisp. Preserve excess. Do you have too many tomatoes? Make a sauce or jam. Preserving reduces waste and gives you flavorsome treats for later. Ditch single-use plastics. Opt for reusable beeswax wraps, glass containers, and cloth bags. Mindful water usage. Be conscious of the water you use. Collect the runoff when washing veggies for watering plants. Reduce meat consumption. If you eat meat, choose sustainably raised options and savor them as occasional treats. DIY cleaning products. Make eco-friendly cleaning solutions with ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Solar cooking. Experiment with solar ovens or solar cookers on sunny days. Natural lighting. Cook during daylight hours to make the most of natural light. Batch cooking. Cook in large batches and freeze portions. It saves energy and gives you ready-to-eat meals. Opt for organic. Organic farming practices are better for the soil and have a lower carbon footprint. Mind the fridge. Regularly check and organize your fridge to ensure nothing goes to waste. Limit dining out. Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients and reduces the carbon footprint of your meals. Eco-friendly cookware. Invest in durable, non-toxic cookware that lasts longer and cooks efficiently. Reduce dairy. Experiment with plant-based milk and cheese alternatives. Support fair trade. Choose products that support sustainable farming and fair wages. Educate and share. Share your sustainable cooking tips and recipes with friends and family. Stay inspired. Continuously educate yourself about sustainable gastronomy and adapt to the times. And there you have it, fellow foodies. 25 delectable ways to make your kitchen a haven for sustainability. If you're as passionate about responsible consumption as we are, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Together, let's make every meal a step towards a greener planet. Until next time.